Yo, what's good YouTube? It's boardzy, and this is going to be a quick video answering a question that I get asked a lot whenever I talk about artisan. Should you buy artisan pads from Amazon? So I went out and did it. I bought a Raiden Mid Classic Edition because I wanted something I didn't have already. I paid $60, and this is how the box came. It came in one of these bags, and it was completely folded. I posted a TikTok. I'll leave the link to that in the description. But you see, it is over the mouse pad, which is somehow flat. There is a crease in the middle of the mouse pad. It doesn't even show up on camera anymore. It's ridiculous. But yeah, the mouse pad is flat, but that shipping situation was horrible, and you really just can't recommend that. Because one thing when you're paying for artisan, you're paying the premium for the flat shipping and basically just perfect quality. And if Amazon is treating shit like that, you can't really ensure the same thing, and it's generally more expensive on Amazon as well. So I would say after my experience, I'm certainly not happy with it. But in regards to getting a counterfeit, I just don't think that it's a really, just think about it. Is it a profitable business model to make high quality mousepads that share features with artisan but make them slightly fake? Like, that's presuming you can produce them at a much lesser cost. Like, dude, it's not happening. So I just don't think there's a real concern with fake pads. Obviously, like, one time somebody got sent like a fucking piece of paper, but yeah, I would just avoid them for the reason of you're not getting the same price and like shipping quality as you would ordering it from the official artisan website or like one of their official retailers. And this is an import from Japan. I know that some people are going to ask that. Yeah, it's not just like some random dude shipped it. And I'm sure there's going to be some people who are like, oh, your pad's fine. Like, why are you complaining? Well, actually, I don't know how many people are that stupid. Maybe I'm assuming YouTube viewers are like TikTok. But yeah, if this was like a Shouldnt, the pad would be completely ruined. I'm pretty sure the Hien crease is pretty bad as well. And yeah, I just personally don't recommend it, especially since it costs more. That's just like the nail in the coffin to where I'm like, just don't buy the pads on Amazon. Either wait for the official restock or to like pre-order it from a retailer. But yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Just finally want to answer a question now that I actually have ordered one from Amazon. Like I said before, this is the Raiden Mid Classic Edition. I'll have a review out on that in a few weeks. I can't say soon, honestly. I have so many fucking mouse pads to review. Wow, love my life. Like and sub, peace.